What is going on, guys? We have another backlink tutorial today. So first thing you want to do is go to producthunt.com, as you can see in the URL above, and you're gonna want to go over to sign up. And once you click sign up, you can either sign up with Twitter, Facebook, Google. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click Google and accounts, and let's go ahead and fill out this information real quick. Again, you usually want to make your username whatever keyword you want to go for. City, just press Dallas, Texas. Confirm you're 16 years of age. What is your role? Let's do marketing. Search your skills. Do they have SEO? Let's see here. We got SEO. What topics are you interested in? Let's just do marketing. And let's just go ahead and click that. Go ahead and click next. All right, guys, once you've logged in, just go over to your profile, click on your profile picture and click on my profile. And once you're at your profile page, just go ahead and click edit. And here you want to scroll down, and this is where you want to include your website, right? So go ahead and put whichever website you want to target. And let's go down. You can add more information if you want. Let's click update. It says updated. Now let's see my profile. We can see that our URL is right here. Let's go to our mouse bar. Let's click our link checker, and there you go. A do follow 87 backlink from producthunt.com. So if you guys like these step-by-step tutorials, make sure you leave me a thumbs up if you want to see more of these, or if you want to see anything regarding SEO, local SEO, national SEO, anything at all. Just leave me a comment below and I'll try to make a video about it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.